Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Etoro application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Next, open your App Store. In the search box inside your App Store, type in Etoro and search. You will come across this application that says Etoro Trade and Invest. Tap on the download button or the install button that you see on the screen in order to begin the download for the application. Etoro is a social trading and multi-asset investment platform which allows its users to invest in a variety of assets, EFTs, commodities, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and much more. Etoro is known to be a good choice for investors who are looking for a user-friendly platform with a wide variety of assets and social trading features. Once the application is downloaded and installed on your iPhone, simply launch it open and get started with it. So that's how easy it is to download Etoro application for your iPhone in a quick, simple step. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.